In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your aiming response curve here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 to something like dynamic, linear, or leaving it on standard. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now let's say that you play on controller and you want to change how your aiming feels because you're used to something different or you just want to improve your aim. It's extremely easy to adjust. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your settings, and what you're going to want to do is go immediately into this controller tab right here. Now across the top you're going to see controller, aiming, movement, and combat. Go ahead and select this little aiming button right here and go specifically into your advanced aiming settings. Once you're into your advanced aiming settings, you're going to see several options, but you're going to want to go to this aim response curve type. And if you just select this just like so, you're going to see that by default it is set to standard, but there's also linear and dynamic right here. Now, linear is going to be ideal for players who want to be direct, so like one-to-one stick movement. The stick input maps directly to the aiming speed, but dynamic is going to be ideal for more experienced players. It starts fast and slows down as you aim, giving you kind of like a reverse S-curve feel. If you've never tried these before, I definitely recommend testing them out. You may need to adjust your sensitivity afterward, but you might end up liking one more than your current setup. That's really all there is to it though. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.